Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our segment Strange Flowers and Exotic Plants. Today we are going to explore a flower that will undoubtedly leave you stunned by its unique beauty and profound mystery. At first glance, you might wonder, is this truly a flower, or is it some bizarre creature from another planet? No, you are not mistaken. This is Hydnora, a member of the plant kingdom, yet possessing characteristics so strange they are almost unbelievable. It is a total parasitic plant. This means Hydnora cannot photosynthesize on its own. It lives entirely off other host plants, drawing nutrients from their roots to survive. A truly lazy yet highly effective way of life, and perhaps most shocking is its scent. Contrary to its mysterious appearance, the Hydnora is infamous for an odor that is less than pleasant. In fact, it smells like rotting flesh. Yes, you heard that right. This potent stench is produced to attract carrion-eating insects which help the flower pollinate, a brilliant but rather challenging survival strategy for anyone wishing to get close. The history of Hydnora's discovery is quite fascinating. The flower has been known for a long time by indigenous tribes in the regions where it grows. However, the detailed scientific description and classification only truly occurred in the 18th century by the Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus. He was the one who first gave this genus its scientific name. Since then, Hydnora has remained a compelling subject for scientists and botany enthusiasts alike. Hydnora is primarily found in the arid and semi-arid regions of Africa and Madagascar, as well as parts of the Arabian Peninsula. It often grows hidden underground, and only when it is time to bloom do these strange flowers push through the soil, creating a unique spectacle right in the heart of the desolate desert. The Hydnora plant primarily reproduces through two main methods. Insect pollination. This is the primary method of sexual reproduction. The Hydnora flower emits a powerful fetid odor, often described as rotting meat, to attract carrion-feeding insects like beetles and flies. The flower acts as a temporary trap. When insects fly in, they are held inside for a period to ensure they collect the pollen. Once the flower fully opens, the insects are released to carry the pollen to another flower, completing the pollination process. After successful pollination, the flower develops into a berry-like fruit underground. This fruit contains many tiny seeds. Hydnora can spread via its parasitic underground root system, which sprouts new shoots to form new colonies. Hydnora is an extremely specialized plant adapted to harsh conditions. Primarily found in the arid and semi-arid regions of southern Africa and Madagascar, they thrive in sandy, nutrient-poor soils typical of desert environments. Hydnora is parasitic on the roots of certain host plants, notably species of the Euphorbia genus. The survival of the Hydnora is entirely dependent on its specific host. The majority of the plant's life cycle occurs underground. The flowers only emerge above the soil surface when they are ready to bloom and be pollinated. Despite its unusual appearance and smell, Hydnora has several important traditional uses. The berry-like fruit of the Hydnora is considered an important food source in some regions. The fruit is sweet, starchy, and can be eaten raw or cooked. The rhizomes of Hydnora are high in tannins. They are used for tanning leather and can also serve as a source of natural dye. Although some Hydnora species are currently rated as least threatened on some national red lists, the general conservation status of the genus is worrying because of its rarity and the limited research conducted on it. Both the fruit and the rhizomes of Hydnora are heavily harvested for food and especially for traditional medicine in many regions. The collection of the rhizome, the main subterranean body of the plant, for medicinal purposes, severely impacts populations, and is difficult to regulate due to the plant's hidden nature. Hydnora relies on deeply moist environments and specialized insect pollinators. Climate change can seriously affect its sexual reproduction. Changes in temperature and rainfall can lead to the disappearance of pollinators and reduce seed germination viability. And so, we have lifted the veil on the mystery of Hydnora, the flower of the desert, the master of parasitic artistry. From its bizarre subterranean appearance to its potent, life-attracting odor, Hydnora stands as a powerful reminder of Mother Nature's boundless creativity. It is more than just a plant. It is a historical testament to the ability to adapt and survive under the most extreme conditions. Thank you very much for joining us on this journey of discovery today. We look forward to seeing you in our next segment.